Identify the first base section using the pad plan provided. Each base is numbered and should be installed in number order. Start by fitting the lock nuts to the adjustable feet, then attach to the underside of each base section. Lay down the first base frame against the property wall, as shown on the plan. Then adjust the leg height until the base is level. You should use a spirit level to do this. When positioning the steel base, ensure you leave enough clearance for the chipboard flooring and any other floor covering to be installed before securing to your house wall. To secure the base to the external wall of the building, drill a pilot hole using an 8mm SDS drill bit and secure it with 150mm thunderbolts. Make sure to do this for both holes in each base section.